Hello my dear friends. Let's talk about our kids and their phones. I see it every day. Kids are not playing outside anymore. They are always looking at their screens. Parents have been asking me, is this bad? What can I do? Well, yes, it is a problem. But don't worry. I have been studying this, and today I will explain the real problems and give you a simple step-by-step plan. What is happening to our kids right now? When a child is always on the phone, some very real things are happening. Number 1, their brains are changing. Phones and apps are designed to be addictive. They give a quick, happy feeling. Because of this, kids' brains are learning to need constant entertainment. They have lost the skill of being bored. Before phones, when kids were bored, they would draw, read, or use their imagination. Now, the phone is always there. This is hurting their creativity. Number 2, they feel more alone. You see it, right? A group of friends is sitting together, but everyone is looking at their own phone. They are not learning how to talk face-to-face. They aren't practicing how to read someone's face or understand a real voice. This has been causing more anxiety and loneliness in young people. Number 3, they can't focus. The apps use fast videos and endless scrolling. This has trained their brains for speed, not for depth. So, when a teacher is talking in class, the child's brain gets bored. It has become very hard for them to focus on one thing for a long time. This is affecting their schoolwork. Number 4, it hurts their happiness. On social media, everyone looks perfect and happy. Kids see this and they compare their own lives. They think, why is my life not like that? This has made many kids feel sad and insecure. Also, the light from the phone at night has stopped them from sleeping well. A tired brain feels sad more easily. So, this is not just too much screen time. It is a real problem for their minds and hearts. Now we have to see step-by-step plan to fix these problems. You cannot just take the phone away. That will cause a big fight. You need a smart plan. I have created one for you. Step number 1, have a family meeting. Do not start with anger. Wait for a calm time. Say this, hey, I have learned how phones are made to be addictive. I think it is affecting our family. It is making it hard for us to talk and sleep. Can we find a better balance together? This is a we problem, not a you problem. Your child will listen better this way. Step number 2, create phone-free zones. The bedroom is for sleep. All phones will sleep outside the bedroom tonight. You will charge them in the kitchen or living room. This one action will improve everyone's sleep. The table is for talking. When we are eating, no phones are allowed. We will talk to each other. The first hour after school. This time is for relaxing, snacking, and talking. No phones. Step number 3, schedule boredom time and green time. Green time first. Before any playtime on the phone, we will spend 1 hour outside. We can walk, play a sport, or just sit in the park. Make a boredom box. Get a box and fill it with fun things. Crayons, Lego, books, cards, puzzles. When your child says, I'm bored, you can say, great, go to the boredom box. You are teaching them to be creative again. Step number 4, teach them how phones work. Kids don't know the tricks. Explain it to them. See this notification? It is designed to make you look at the phone. See how the video never ends? That is to keep you watching. Talk about social media. People only show their best moments. It is not real life. It is just a highlight video. Step number 5, you must lead by example. This is the most important step. Your children are watching you. When you are with your family, put your phone away. I mean really away. In another room. Say out loud, I am putting my phone away now because I want to focus on you. They will see that you mean it. Step number 6, replace the phone with connection. The phone gives a fake feeling of connection. We need to give the real thing. Find a family hobby. Maybe it is cooking dinner together on Saturday or playing a board game every Friday night. Spend one-on-one time with each child for just 15 minutes a day. Do what they want to do. Talk, play. This connection will make them happier than any phone ever could. My dear friends, I know this plan is not always easy. Your child will not like it at first. There will be some fighting, but stay strong. You are not taking away their phone. You are giving them a better childhood. You are giving them back their sleep, their focus, their creativity, and their real happiness. You can do this. I believe in you. Thanks for watching. Please like this video if it helped you and share your own stories in the comments below. Let's help each other.